Hello everyone, my name is Batwan Akchai, and today I'll be presenting to you my engineering honors capstone project. I did an MDP project with Little Caesars, and we developed a pizza quality evaluator. So here's some facts about me. I graduated in winter 2021 semester from University of Michigan Engineering Honors with a Bachelor of Science in Engineering and Computer Science. You can see a graph picture of me on the left. And some of my favorite college experiences were from the times when I was together with my friends at the University of Michigan Taekwondo. You can see me trying to do a Taekwondo kick in the air on the right side while I was graduating. And so why did I do MDP? One of the like main reasons is that I wanted to like interact with like companies, because like in school mostly what you do is like just study, and maybe if you're lucky like you can get involved with research. However, I wanted to get to know companies more, like what are their working systems, what are their mechanisms. And another thing is that I wanted to work together with like other college students. I wanted to work together as a team. Sometimes like some technical classes require you to do more just a single person work, and I didn't like that much. I wanted to interact with people. That's why I wanted to do MDP. And finally, like you definitely get like a lot of hands-on experience when you do the MDP. So I just started this journey with Little Caesars. My MDP project was like sponsored by Little Caesars company, and as I said, I work with like my teammates, and like we at first like we were 7 people, and then one of our friends dropped, but we still like the remaining 6 people managed to finish our project successfully, and I really enjoy working with my teammates. Like I'm still in good touch with them. Actually, I'm gonna go to a like trip soon with them, so it was definitely one of my most favorite team experiences. Our sponsors were Tim Samero, the lead software development, and Kevin Hanks, lead software engineer from Little Caesars. And our faculty advisor was Brent Griffin, assistant research scientist at the electrical engineering and computer science, and also the robotics department. Actually, like Brent and I have been working on another project as well together, and like both Brent and our like Little Caesar sponsors were very helpful during our project, and without them, we wouldn't be able to like achieve the success that we had. So let's talk a little bit about like what does Little Caesars do? So basically, they're like a pizza company. They're like the third largest pizza chain in the U.S., and they strive to like serve others well. They want like their employees to own their work, and like as a company, like they want to invent something. They want to like provide something new to the people and their customers. And one of the most important thing to Little Caesars is they want to provide the highest quality pizza every time. Otherwise, like their customers would be not happy, and they don't want that. They want to provide the highest quality pizza. So let's look at like how the quality could differ in a pizza. On the right, you see a high quality pizza. As you can see, it's a really nice pepperoni pizza. And on the left, you have the low quality pizza, which is like burned, as you can tell. And I would rather not eat that low quality pizza. But as I said, Little Caesars wants to provide highest quality, so they have to have systems that like give insights on like what is a good high quality pizza and what is a low quality pizza, so that like their employees can make sure they like make the high quality pizza all the time and serve it to the customers. So our project focuses on like using technology to analyze like pizza, to evaluate the quality of the pizza, so that like the company can provide the highest quality pizza, the best pizza every time. And like the particular technology that we're using for our project is computer vision, and we're doing our like pizza analysis using the computer vision methods. So the main goal behind like why like evaluating pizza quality helps Little Caesars is that if like employees can identify what makes a good pizza or not, and if they can get feedback from our system, then they could like improve their skills, they could like prepare better pizza in a shorter amount of time. And once they have like better higher like pizza quality, then like the customers will be happy because they get like good pizza. They don't get the burnt low quality pizza. And like if the customers are happy, you know that like the store, there's going to be more demand to the store, and then the store will generate more revenue, and like the company itself will benefit from this, both in terms of financially but and also like the customer satisfaction, which is a key ingredient for Little Caesar success. For a project, we identify like some overarching goals and objectives. The like main goal of our project is to quantify pizza quality so that like the employees can make the perfect pizza consistently. And how we're going to do that is to quantify what makes a good high quality pizza, like what are the quality standards, then identifying how we can compare like the high poor quality and the high quality pizzas using pizza images. And once we analyze these images, our system should like give feedback to the employees, and these feedbacks should be easy for employees to use and easy to manage for Little Caesars. So those are like the goals and objectives that we identified. Then later we created like a schedule, like a project management timeline for our project. This project was like part of a 1 year long project, so like we worked on it like 2 semesters and also like including 1 month in the summer. So we first did some like background research, like understanding what computer vision is, what machine learning is, how it could be helpful in this project context. Then we defined our like requirements and our scope. We got together with our like sponsors, like set expectations, and this actually was like a very critical phase in our project. Then later we did like some data collection, and then like we worked on images. Then in like the final phase for our winter semester, we like kind of like built a minimum viable product and then presented it to our sponsors. We got our feedback so that like we could work on iterating it and like improving it for the next semesters. And in the fall semester, like our goal was to complete the software early on, and then later like do more final testing and more redesign depending on like the feedback from like our clients, which are like our corporate sponsors, Little Caesar sponsors in this case. And one important thing that we did during our project management is that we put like some buffer time at the end where we could like if if risks occurred, we could use that time to like fix the problems in our project management. And if there were no risks, maybe like we could have done like more like stretch goals that were like desirable by our corporate sponsors, but not like expected from this project. And then like we had our final design presentation and delivery at the end of fall 2020. Unfortunately, this project, since it's like a corporate sponsored project, like has a lot of like NDA requirements, and I'm not able to like share more of the technical details of this project. But I just want to like tell you about my experience throughout the project. So I think like one of the best things for me was working as a team. It makes the experience more enjoyable, but like the thing is that it also brings challenges. Like it's harder to communicate. You have like more responsibility. It's not just you and also you depend on other people as well, which might not be easy. But the key to working as a team is the communication. If you have a great communication, your project will be successful. Another critical component of a project is like setting appropriate scope and requirements. If you set your scope like too like wide, like you will definitely fail your deliverables and like deadlines, which is not good. And as I said, you can't always meet every requirement and deadline. So like knowing what's your priority, setting your priorities is very important. And I really enjoyed working in the computer vision field during this project, and I would like to work more. Maybe like after I graduate from college, I'll work for like companies that do computer vision work. So thank you for listening to my project. And since this presentation is on YouTube, if you have any questions, like you can uh, use the comment section on YouTube, and then I'll be happy to answer you. Thanks a lot for watching this.